So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banking Crypto Night. So in this video right now guys, today I want to show you how to interact with Pharos Network Testnet. So guys, in this video I just want to take you the step by step on how to interact with the Pharos Testnet, Pharos Network Testnet. So guys, if you are Web3 lovers and you are interested in partaking in, so if you are interested in doing something like this, if you're interested, this step will guide you. This video is going to guide you. So firstly, if you're interested, just check the description of this video, then copy the link there. You will see a link to this site here, to the testnet here, or you can just click on it and copy it. So copy the link to your, I will advise you to use your OKS Web3 wallet. Yes, use your OKS Web3 wallet. Paste the link where it's supposed to be pasted. Then you are going to see a something like this. After you do your connection, let me just do it right now. So after you do your connection, the first thing to do is to copy your wallet address, because they are going to ask you to add Pharos network to your wallet. So just tap on it and add everything. Then after you do your connection, copy your wallet address, paste it here to get your faucet, to claim your testnet token. Then click here, I am not a robot. After that, click here, I have done my own. That is why you are seeing 22 hours 12 minutes or something like that. So these are the wallets they accept. They accept a lot of wallets, so you can use it on any of these wallets. So after you get your first testnet, which is your testnet token, which is 0.2 PHROS, the first thing you need to do is to go to swap, or you can just click here. After you click there, you can see experience. Just click on experience, but the first thing to do is to click on swap, and these are the things you need to do. Firstly, you need to connect with your Twitter S account. Make sure you connect your Twitter S account, because I've already done that. I am not seeing that task here right now. So for your own, you are going to see it that you should connect with your Twitter S account. Connect with your Twitter S account, follow them up, and perform all the social tasks you see right there. So after you do all those social tasks, the next thing to do is to swap. Do some swapping, then provide liquidity. Now let me show you how to do that. And again, you can also do this, send to friends. I will also drop my wallet link, my wallet address, in the description of this video. So in case you want to send some test token to me to just perform your transaction, you can just send any amount. You can send as low as 0.00001 to me in case you want that. So right now, these are the three things you'll be doing on this platform: 1, 2, 3, and the other one you should be doing every day that you should not miss is, after you come to here and click on experience, you are going to be checking in every day by day. Click on checking here, and you'll be claiming that every day by day. So those are the things you will be doing. These are the most important things of it. That check-in, swap, provide this, and this one is optional, but you should still do it. You should still do it to get more points. The more you perform on chain task, the more points you get. So now let me show you how to do it. Click on swap. So it will direct you to testnet.zenithfinance.syz. Then after you click on swap, so it will direct you to testnet.zenithfinance.syz. Then after you click on swap, so it will direct you to testnet.zenithfinance.syz. Then after you click on swap, so it will direct you to testnet.zenithfinance.syz. Then after you click on swap, so it will direct you to testnet.zenithfinance.syz. So it will direct you to After it directs you to here, make sure you do your connection, connect your wallet at up here. So after you connect your wallet, it will show you the balance of PHRS you have. So this is the balance. So the next thing to do, this one will be in PHRS. Then click here to select another token. You can select any of these tokens you see right there. So I'm going to select USDC. Now swap some amount of PHRS to USDC. So right now I want to swap this amount, which is 0.222 USDC. Now wait for it to show swap. Now click on swap here, then click on confirm swapping. Swap, confirm, swap. As you can see, the swapping is confirming. Click on confirm again. That is it. As you can see, so swap success. That means you have done that swap things. I don't know how many swap you should be doing every day, but you can do as many as you want. So again, you can do with swap with any of the token you see right here. So the next thing to do is to go to pool, then to provide liquidity in your pool. Provide liquidity in the pool. As you can see, I have done one here already, but in case you want to do your own, just click on new pool. Click on new pool right here. Click on select token. So right now let me select USDC again. So I want to select USDC. Now select any of these things you see right here. Free tires, best for pair, most pair, best for exotic pair. So I'm selecting this right now for, okay, let me just select, yes, let me just select this. So just select any of it. Those are for fee. The transaction fee they are going to deduct from you. So input the amount you want to put in the liquidity. For instance, I want to put 0.01, which is $8 in the liquidity pool. Now go down and wait for this to roll and to load. After it load, you can see. So right now you just wait for it to load, or you can set your range around here. You can just set your range. You can set your range and do it like this, which is USDC up while this one down. But let me just leave it the way I do it before. So wait for it. Then input the amount, input the amount of USDC you want to put in the liquidity. For now I want to put 0. Okay, let me just do it like this. 0. This, let's still do this one. Okay, let's just do it this way. Then let's wait for it to load. So as you can see, it has show approved USDC. So I put it in the range. So this is how it is. So the next thing to do is to just click on approve USDC. Approve USDC. So I don't want to put it on unlimited. Approving, it's very high risk, so let me just put it at this 0. Where is it? So 0.00, let me just do it like 0.005 USDC. So I put, okay, let me just use 0.05 USDC. So I put 0.05 USDC, or let me use this like this. I put 0.1 USDC in liquidity. Now click on confirm amount, then click on confirm again, then do your confirmation. As you can see, approving USDC, you can see the USDC has been approved. Wait for it, let's see it. So your position will appear here. So as you can see, click on preview, then click on add again. We are click on confirm, then confirm it again, waiting for confirmation. That is it. Transaction submitted. Transaction submitted. So if you check here very well, you can see that I now have two liquidity pool that I provided. So that is just what you are going to be doing here. And for that faucet where you get your test token, in case that doesn't work for you, you can still come here and get it again. So those are the things you'll be doing on the Pharos network. Those are the things. In case you want to invite some of your other friends, you can click here, then send your invite link to them to join you in this testnet. This is an incentivized testnet. The more you interact with it, they are going to reward you real when the token generation event take place, which is the TGE. So guys, keep on doing this every day by day. Make sure you share this video. Don't forget to share this video, like this video also. Thank you for watching. See you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now. So guys, I believe you enjoyed that video, and if you enjoyed the video and you find the video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also like the video. Also don't forget to comment and also join me on my S account, because I always share updates there on most of all these testnets. So guys, do that right now. Let's go.